Next, crochet the bag section. Take out the brown thread. First, loop 8 stitches. Remember to tie the mark buckle. Tighten the coil. The end is connected to do the promotion. One needle stands up, and the second circle is 8 short needles plus hook needles. 2 short needles in each stitch. Connected end to end for extraction. Turn 3, 1 short needle plus needle. 1 short needle, 1 plus needle. 1 more short needle and 1 more needle. Finish the loop. End connected and stand up a needle. 3 short needles and 1 short needle plus needle in the fourth circle. Insert the same needle into the needle. 30 stitches without hooks on the 5th to 7th turns. This is what it looks like when it's done. Turn 8 starts hook reduction needle. Hook 3 short needles first. One reduced needle. Then, hook 6 short needles. The pattern of crocheting this circle. Needle reduction. 6 short needles. 1 reduced needle. 6 short needles. 1 reduced needle. 1 short needle. The last needle, 1 short needle, is connected end to end for lead and pull. Lap 9, hook 5 short needles first. One reduced needle. Connected end to end for extraction. Mark buckle. Lap 10. Hook 2 short needles first. Hook 1 reduced needle. Hook for short needles. 1 reduced needle. For short needles and 1 reduced needle. One short needle. End to end. Lap 11, hook 3 short needles first. Hook 1 reduced needle. Repeat for 3 sets. 3 short needles. 1 reduced needle. Last group. for short needles. Stuff some cotton stuffing in it. Stand up for a needle. Turn 12. Hook one short needle on the standing needle first. One reduced needle. Hook 3 groups of 2 reduced needles and 1 short needle. Group. The second group. The third set of 2 short needles. 1 reduced needle. The last short needle. End to end. Stuffed with cotton. Lap 13 to the end, lap 14 without reducing the hook. The 15th lap is 1 short needle and 1 reduced needle. A total of 4 sets were hooked. Pull connection. Turn 16 all hook reduction needles. To hook 4 sets of needle reduction. Then disconnect. Take out the yellow line. Ring up 6 stitches. Tension. Connected end to end for extraction. First hook against your own outer needle. A braided pin. Hook this one. Hook medium and long needles. Start with 1 stitch inside the needle head of the hook lead needle. Hook out the outer half of the needle and thread. Okay, then wind the wire, circle the 3 on the coil together. This is the medium and long needle, 6 hooks in total. There are a total of 6 medium and long needles hooked in this circle. Draw from the first stitch. Pocket complete, disconnected. Hide a few stitches for the rest. For the beard part, braid and stitch first. Tie a slip knot. Then plug it in. Hook 18 braided needles. Needle in the penultimate needle. Hook 1 short needle first. Hook another medium and long needle. Hook 1 lead needle in the next entry. 3 more long needles plus needles. How to hook the long needle? Wrap the wire through first. Like medium and long needles, there are 3 coils on the crochet. Wrap the wire first and hook the first 2, the last 2 of the winding hooks. This is the long needle. 1 more set of long needles. And then the third needle. All 3 long needles need to be in the same mesh. Next stitch. Hook a lead pin. The combination of 3 long needles plus a lead needle requires 6 sets of hooks. Next, hook a long needle. Wear the first 2 firsts. Wear the last two. Next stitch, hook a lead needle. Ray hook group 2. A total of 6 sets of hooks are required. Next needlehead, 1 lead needle. Next, hook the medium and long needles. Last stitch, hook short stitch. Flip to the back. Stand up for a needle. This circle first hooks 6 lead pins. After the 6 hooks are completed, it happens to be the 3 long needles in the first group. Then, hook 3 long needles in the small hole in the middle between the 2 long needles and the long needles. Then hook the 3 lead needles on the 3 long needle parts of the previous circle. Just put the part of the 3 long needles in our previous circle. Continue to hook 3 long needles in the next hole. Continue to do 3 pulls on the long needle. 1, 2. Hook 1 long needle in the next hole. Twice round the line. Pull the coil through the hole. Look, there are 4 coils on the needle. Wrap the wire first and hook out the first 2. 2 more winding hooks in the middle. Finally, the wire hooks out. There are 3 hooks in the same needle. Continue for another group. Another group. There are 3 long needles to hook in this hole. Next, hook the 3 lead pins. It needs to be on the braided needle of our long needle. Hook 3 long needles. 1, 2, 3. Same, do 3 promotions. Hook another turn. Seven lead pins left. And the lap. There's a hole in the middle. Don't forget. Okay, the beard is done. Now let's hook the hair. First, the braids. Take out the white thread and tie a slip knot. Hook 7 braided needles. Hook back at the penultimate stitch. Hook 1 short needle. Hook 1 medium and long needle. Hook 1 lead pin. Then hook 3 long needles in this hole. 1, 2, 3. 2 short needles left on the hook. Disconnect. Next, crochet the nose. Start with for short needles. End to end. Leave a long line and tie knots on both sides. Hide the line again. Disconnect. Then hook beard. Take out the white line. Wrap a few loops around your fingers. If it is denser, you can hide it a few more times. Then fold it in half. Tie a knot in the middle. Finished and fixed. Disconnect. Start assembling. Hats and balls on hats. Pocket. 2 strands of hair. Big beard mustache. Nose. 2 arms. Glue your nose to the beard first. Glue the pockets to the front of the belt of the clothes. Fix the eyes. Fix the beard and nose. Glue the ball to the hat. Take out the suture needle and sew the arm. Fold them one by one. Take out Santa Claus. To locate. Take out the beard and red ball and position it with a bead needle. Put the beard on both sides. Stick it firmly. Remove the bead needle. To glue the hair on both sides. Sticky middle nose and beard. The hat does not need to be completely fixed. It can be fixed later. Sew the arms together. Suture the sides to the body. Just sew it on with one needle. There are about 4 stitches in total. Hide the extra thread inside. Disconnect. The other side can be tilted up. Put a backpack rack here. Sew up the other arm. Suture the arm first. After sewing, hide the needle inside. The hat is fixed and glued to the hair. We can glue his hair on the side. Organize the overall shape. Glue the bag on. Finally, Put a little blush on Santa's face. Santa Claus is done.